I walk on the street. I see a girl. She drops something. Oh no. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. I walk behind her. She walks fast. I look down. It is a phone. I pick up the phone. I look at the girl. She does not see me. I say, wait. She does not hear me. She keeps walking. I walk fast. I move quickly. I try to catch her. She looks back. She sees me. She walks faster. Oh no. I think she is scared. I hold the phone. I try again. I say, wait. She looks back again. Her eyes are big. Now she runs. Oh no. This is bad. I run. I run fast. I want to help. But she runs faster. People look at us. I feel embarrassed. I slow down. Then I run again. I don't know what to do. But then I see her at a bus stop. She stands far from me. She looks nervous. She watches me. I stop. I raise my hand. I show her the phone. She looks at the phone. She looks at me. She understands. She walks to me slowly. She takes the phone. She says thank you. She smiles a little. I smile too. I feel relief. She says she is sorry. We both laugh. The bus comes. She gets on the bus. She waves at me. She says thank you again. The bus leaves. I stand there. I laugh. That was strange. Today I walk on the street. A girl drops a phone. I pick it up. I shout, wait. She walks fast. She looks scared. I run. She runs too. People look at us. But I don't stop. I show her the phone. We laugh. I feel relief. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.